Friends, welcome to Abhivyakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode of Quantitative Aptitude, we will see the problems on allegations, how to solve it, tips and tricks and techniques. Allegation is nothing but a faster technique of solving problems based on the weighted average situation. Here is the first question on the screen, that on mixing two classes of students having average of 25 and 40 respectively, the overall average obtained is 30 marks. Find the ratio of the students in the class and the number of students in the first class if the second class had 30 students. We represent this situation graphically as 25 40. This is denoted by A1 and this is denoted by A2. So A1 and A2 are the averages of the two classes and their weighted mean is given as 30 marks and it is denoted by AW. Then what we do, we take the difference between this A1 and AW, that is AW minus A1, AW minus A1, and this difference is denoted by N2. So AW minus A1, that will be 30 minus 25, that is 5. And here to the other side we do A2 minus AW, A2 minus AW, and that we denote by N1, and so it will be 40 minus 30, so N1 will be 10, and so the ratio N1 is to N2 is 10 is to 5, and 10 is to 5 is nothing but 2 is to 1, and therefore the required ratio of students in the classes is 2 is to 1. Now the second question is that what are the number of students in the first class if the second class has 30 students? If second class has 30 students, then definitely the first class will have 60 students because the ratio is 2 is to 1. So if this is second class, this is first class. If this is 30, then this will be the twice of 30, it is 60. This is called as the cross line approach. There is another approach, that is a straight line approach, in which the same data is expressed in this way, that here it is A1, here it is A2, here N1, here we write N2, and in the middle here we write weighted average, that is AW. So A1, A2 and AW are the three averages, and N1 and N2 are the ratios of quantities. So here we can represent the same data like this also, that here it will be N1, N2 and N1 and N2. This will be 25, this will be 40 marks, and their weighted average is given as 30 marks. And now we can do that N2 will be equal to 30 minus 25, that will be 5, and here N1 will be 40 minus 30, that will be 10, and so it will be in the ratio of 10 is to 5, that is in the ratio of 2 is to 1. And if one class has 30 students, then definitely another class will have twice of it, that is 60 students. Take one more question of the same type, that in what proportion must rice at rupees 3 and 10 paise per kg be mixed with the rice at rupees 3 and 60 paise per kg so that the mixture be worth rupees 325 paise. This represent on a straight line, that is 3 rupees 10 paise per kg, so it will be 310 paise, and another is 3 rupees 60 paise, so it will be 360 paise, and the average is 320 paise, and you have to find the ratio N1 and N2, that in what proportion it should be mixed. So N2 we get as 325 minus 310, that is 15, and N1 we get as 360 minus 325, and that is equal to 35. So this ratio is 35 is to 15. It means the ratio is 7 is to 3. So the two types of rices are to be mixed in the ratio of 7 is to 3. The next question is 20 liter of one variety of soda water is mixed with 40 liters of other variety of soda water. The price of first variety of soda water is rupees 20 per liter, and the price of the other variety of soda water is rupees 35 per liter. Find the cost of the mixture. Here we have to find the weighted mean, and to find the weighted mean, this straight line approach is more better than that of the cross method. So here we write the data like this. It is 20 liters, first, second is 40 liters, and the cost is 20 rupees per liter, and the another cost is 35 rupees per liter, and the cost of the mixture that we do not know, that we have to find, that is AW we have to find. To find this with the approach of a straight line, what we do, first we subtract this A2 minus A1, it is very easy, 35 minus 20, that is 15, divided by N1 plus N2. Here N1 is 20, N2 is 40. This ratio will be what? Of course 1 is to 2, 21s are 20, 22s are 40. So this ratio is 1 is to 2. So N1 is 1 and N2 is 2, and therefore N1 plus N2 will be 3. Multiplied by N2. So N2 is what? It is 2, and plus A1, that is 20. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 5 2s are 10. So 10 plus 20, that will be 30. So the average is what? 30. The required average is 30. So it should be 30 rupees should be the cost of the mixture per liter. Next question is, if 5 kg of salt costing rupees 5 per kg and 3 kg of salt costing rupees 4 per kg are mixed, find the average cost of the mixture per kilo. Here again we have to find AW. Represent the data on a straight line as 5 kg and another is 3 kg are mixed, costing rupees 5 per kg and costing rupees 4 per kg, and we have to find the average cost. So what we do here, we do A2 minus A1. Remember, A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 5, divided by N1 plus N2, that is 5 plus 3, that is 8, multiplied by N2, that is 3, and we add this to A1, that is 5. So 4 minus 5, that will be minus 1 by 8 into 3 plus 5. And if you solve this, you get it as 40 minus 3 upon 8, that is 37 by 8, and that is equal to 4.625. So the weighted mean is 4 rupees and 62 paise. Here is the another question, that 35 kg of type A sandal powder, which costs rupees 614 per kg, was mixed with a certain amount of type B sandal powder, which cost rupees 695 per kg. The mixture was sold at the rate of rupees 767 per kg and 18% of profit was earned. What was the amount of type B sandal powder in the mixture? This question was asked in the IBPS POIT examination, which was held in 2015. Here first represent the data on a straight line. So here it will be 614, the cost of the first A type sandalwood, and here it will be 695, the B type of sandal powder. We don't know N1, we don't know N2, we don't know AW. Out of the 5, we know that any 4 quantities should be given to find the 5th one. But here the 3 quantities we do not know. But the additional information is given that the mixture is sold at the rate of 767 per kg, earning a profit of 18% on it. So in the profit and loss episode, we have seen that when the selling price is given and the profit percent is given, then how to find the cost price. According to that, cost price will be equal to 767 divided by 118, because 18% is the profit, so it will be 118 multiplied by 100, and if you solve this, you get it as 650. So the average cost price is what? 650. Now once you have got A1, A2 and AW, you can find N1 and N2 easily, because N2 is what? AW minus A1. So 650 minus 614, so it will be 36. And N1 is A2 minus AW, that is 695 minus 650, so it will be 45. So the ratio of these two quantities will be 45:36, that is 5:4. So this ratio is 5:4. So the two powders should be mixed in the ratio of 5:4. So if one is 5, the other is 4. So if one is 35, what will be the other? So we multiply these two and divide by the first one. So it will be 35 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. So it will be 5 7s are 35, and so 7 4s are 28. So the B type of sandalwood should be 28 kg. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right into your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.